watch me when I go into Observatory.
The internet.
Sensation.
Just believe.
You won't put that in the vlog.
That's going to be the intro. Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Today we are heading to the beach because you can see the weather is awesome. So we are taking full advantage before it gets yucky, because apparently the rest of the week it's getting rainy and cold. We're gonna go meet some friends, maybe at Blue Peter, and get some time in the sun, and hopefully it'll be a nice day.
I think the area we're going to is
Blaubergstrand. Crossing over to this little island and the water is pretty chillos.
It's really cool.
Shadow's found some friends. Roxy, what's happening? Why are you going so quickly, babe? Shadow loves coming to the beach because there's all these hot chicks. Done at the beach. We had a lot of delicious food and we hung out with some really nice people. Catching up on a bit of the old South African cool beverages. We're going to go home and drop off Shadow quickly.
Yeah, and then we're going to go and watch my cousin Tim, who is performing live tonight at the drawing room in Observatory. He is Found One.
The Found Wonder. Check out the link in the description.
So he makes really awesome music, so we're going to go listen to him and yeah, enjoy the rest of our Sunday afternoon in Cape Town.
We're about to head out to go and check some live music, and Roxy's been brushing Shadow and she's very proud because every time she brushes Shadow a lot of hair comes off, and she likes to show me every time.
This is handful number 3.
Well done, Roxy.
Come and look. I got a bit sunburned today.
Look at the sunburn. It looks like a... I don't know what it looks like. So we are just about to get to the drawing room and we're going to go and check out Cousin Tim performing.
It's not Cousin Tim.